Soft strumming of the guitar, building in intensity. A violin starts with a gentle swell, setting a calm tone. The drums come in soft but steady. Synth pads provide a dreamy atmosphere. The air feels different today as we walk in our own way. There's something we can't explain, but it's calling us to stay. The world spins fast, but we're standing still, chasing the answers we can't yet fill. But in this moment, we're not alone. Together we find our way back home. Between the lines, we'll write our own, a story that's ours to make. We won't look back, we'll move ahead, wherever it takes. We've been here before, but it feels new. With every step we start to see the view. The echoes of the past fade away. We're learning more than we ever could say. The world spins fast, but we're standing still, chasing the answers we can't yet fill. But in this moment, we're not alone. Together we find our way back home. Between the lines, we'll write our own, a story that's ours to make. We won't look back, we'll move ahead, wherever it takes. Let the words fall like rain, we'll rise again without any chains. This is the start of something real, a chance to finally heal. A soft piano melody echoes, violin strings gently vibrate. Bass drops low, adding depth and space. A moment of calm before the chase. Between the lines, we'll write our own, a story that's ours to make. We won't look back, we'll move ahead, wherever it takes. Between the lines, we'll write our own, a story that's ours to make. The guitars fade, leaving only the voice. A final note, a choice, a promise. As we fade into the world we've made, the full band returns, powerful and strong. With one last note, we sing along. The music